What do you do, yo? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video I'm gonna give you an update about the Fortune miner, okay, aka TFM. So let's see how the project is doing. So total stake so far 1246 BNB, which is worth 370k. Okay, guys. And remember, this project is just probably a week old, right? It was launched on the 24th of February 2023. Okay, so total referral 10 BNB, contract balance currently has 1040 BNB. Okay, so over here we have nothing on my dashboard because this is my second account. Okay, so this account I have 1.5 BNB and I'm gonna roll with 1 BNB. Okay, the reason why I'm gonna use a second account is because I'm gonna self-refer myself. Okay, so I'll get the 1% because my first account I only deposit 0.1%. Okay, so every time I make a deposit on this one, the other account will receive 1% from my deposit. So I will build this account and at the same time I'll build the first account, which currently has 20 or 28 to 29 miners. Okay, and every time I get 1% from this account, because I will make a compound withdraw, okay, their account will receive 1% and then I will build both accounts. Okay, so that's my plan. So let's go ahead and make this deposit. So 1 BNB at the moment will give me 317 miners. Okay, 318 miners. Okay, so let's go ahead, pay this gas fee and get those miners working for us. Okay, gas fee has been paid, so now we're just waiting for the confirmation, and then once everything goes through, we can see right there that I have 318 miners currently working for me. Okay, and my daily yields, an estimate, this is an estimate because remember the APR fluctuates, goes up and down or down depending on the TVL and also how you play the game. Okay, guys, because if you only claim, the daily APR will decrease. Okay, so currently, so tomorrow I might be expecting 0.033 BNB, which is worth at the BNB price right now 9.90 bucks, right? So now how I'm gonna play this game. Okay, very simple. So the first day, right, so today's day 0, tomorrow day 1, I will have to do a compound, because if I don't do the compound I will have to pay a 90% tax if I decided to withdraw. Okay, so I'll let it go, let 24 hours go, and then after 24 hours I'll be able to hit compound. So I'll compound, so I will be free from that 90% tax. Okay, and then on the second day, day 2, I will then withdraw. Okay, I will withdraw and I will redeposit. Okay, or probably I'm gonna compound, because every time you compound you get 1% bonus. Okay, and goes up to 10%. So if you compound 10 days straight, you'll get 10% bonus on your daily rewards. Okay, so I might give it a try on this compound button for 10 days. Okay, and then on the 10th day I will withdraw. Okay, and redeposit. Okay, so I'm gonna try it that way, and I'm gonna try it the other way. So the second way is compound on the first day to get rid of the 90% tax. Okay, and then on the second day I will withdraw, deposit, compound, withdraw, deposit, compound, withdraw, deposit. Okay, so that's my strategy. Well, that's the second strategy. Okay, but everybody has their own strategy. Like I said to you, there's lots of ways to play with miners. Okay, so I'm gonna try the compound for 10 days straight. Okay, and then withdraw and redeposit, see how it goes, and then after 10 days I'm gonna try the compound, withdraw, compound 1 day, withdraw second day, deposit, compound 1 day, withdraw, repeat. Okay, the cycle, and see how it goes. So now that I purchased some miners, 318 miners, we got the lottery. Okay, so because I spent 1 BNB, I have now 50 tickets. Okay, so the percentage chances of winning is 0.76%. One guy a few days ago, he just deposited 0.1 BNB and won the lottery prize, which was 4.3 BNB. How crazy is that, right? So you got to be very lucky. So at the moment, there is a very, very high competition, right? So every day we see like top depositors deposit like 5 BNB, 10 BNB, 15 BNB, 30 BNB, right, guys? So these guys, they're not playing about, right? So this guy right here, the top depositor, deposits 15 BNB. So when the time comes, 19, 18, 56, if nobody deposits more than 15 BNB, this guy right here will earn 5.2 BNB in miners. Okay, guys? So once the lottery prize this round finish, okay, the winner will receive this prize in miners. Okay, so you will see a boost on your miners, so that means you will get more daily rewards. All right, so that's why you see a lot of competition over here. So total participants 493. Okay, and over here you can see the total tickets 6,620 tickets. Okay, and you know how this works is every time you compound or deposits, right, a BNB greater than 0.01 BNB, okay, so for every 0.01 BNB you deposit or compound, you will automatically be given 1 ticket. Okay, so my daily reward is going to be 0.03. okay, so if I compound or withdraw, I will get 3 tickets from my daily rewards. Okay, and that's just how we will play out. But yeah, guys, that's it. I don't want to keep this video long. Just want to give you an update about my strategy in regards to TFM. Right, so tomorrow is going to be the compound day, and then 10 days time I'll come over here and let you know how my miners are doing and how my estimate daily yields is. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.